Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this morning I'd like to show you how to use that effect with the new Figma update, Figma progressive blur effect in your prototype. It's really beautiful. So this is a website landing page or waitlist that designer created some months ago, many months ago. So I like to redesign this, make it more minimal, like make it better. And most importantly, use this effect. So I'm just going to get into it. Use the same content, nothing is changing. I just want to change the design. So here I have my background. There is a swatch image I like to use a lot. You can see that image that looks like you can see the slide effect. You see that is my swatch. This is an image you can just download that on FreePic, download anywhere you want to download, or just get it anywhere. It's swatch. I like the fact that it brings the design to life, like making it look like light is falling on you. So let me first bring this out. So how do I make this become how do I skew this, if that's the word? So there is a plugin I like to use called Perspective Toolkit. I pick that out, then come, this is the frame I want to select. I click on this frame, then I select the UI, and now I want to, no, but I want it to go all the way down like this. So I think I like it at 35. I think this makes sense. What do you guys think? Oh, 32, 33. Whatever works for you. And once you're done, oh no, no, reset your camera. All right, I want to go back to 30, 33. What about then? Now you can place your image. The moment you place your image, Figma places it for you. Now it places the image as a JPEG so that you can, it's already flattened. And I want to bring that straight into my design. And I can increase the size all the way up. Now I want to bring, I can close this, and now I have this image in the middle. Now other thing is to bring this into the design. I want to make sure that, yeah, good. I think I need to lock this. So okay, so I'm bringing this in, you also in. So right now I don't like the fact that this is bold as this. I want to take it back to medium size. It's perfect. And now, so another thing is why have the double color when you can just have single color and then add a little bit of uh, gradient effect to it. Now I want the gradient to be just like this. So I want to add the gradient effect going from white to gray. You get that. And in some other ways this looks already great. Yeah, I think I like it. Then I want to bring this also, a gray color is perfect for it, you see, and that is much better than what we have before. So what can be done again to this is to reduce this maybe to 12. Yes, now I want this to be full. The radius, border radius, I want it to go completely all round. Yes, I think I prefer it around that way. This needs to be set 24, and then fill the container. Can now reduce this. Don't worry, in case you have any question watching this, you can ask me. If I get your comment, I'll try to respond to you immediately. All right, and then if you need the file, I can send that to you too. All right, so it's already looking good, but one thing is, what can be done, what else can be done? Then I don't want my whole design shown right here, so I want to put a box. So I want to draw a box with a gradient, and the gradient is gonna go from black to black, right? So go from here, and this also to this place, but the other one has to be completely off. Giving it this. I think I like the effect this is giving me. It's already giving it that vignette effect, so that you you can write here if you want to write there, but I'm just trying to make this design pop the best way I can. So what other thing do I do? So this product right now is a creator's model, so I want to shine some light on the create event. That's the USP for this product, right? So I decide to draw a rectangle. Just use your pen tool and draw something that looks like a light effect, like a rectangle, no, triangle. You can just bring that back in and you're good to go. So you fill it up with white, take out this, and then you can now add something we call layer blur, and then make it go all the way down to a lot. Make it go all the way down here. Then reduce the opacity completely. Maybe 16 is fine for you. You get that? So you allow the light to shine just directly on this. So you can have that effect like you're shining a light on this point. If you're not too comfortable with this, you can use your edit object to make it a direct rectangle or triangle, so that it's aligned to the middle, and then you have this shining right on the creators on the create event button. What other thing would you like to do? What other thing? I think this is perfect. I want to shine a little bit down. That is also good. Yes. So what other thing do you think would do to this now is to go to the prototype, so we can achieve the effect we're looking for, or the effect that brought us to this video. So let's get into it. I like to duplicate this first of all, and then I want to come to this and add under the effect. I want to add layer blur, and now make it progressive. So if I make it progressive, I want the blur to be, in fact, as a matter of fact, 100%. And from the 100%, I want it to come all the way from this. Can you see that? And if you think it's too blurry, do 50, but I think it is perfect. All right, just from that, we don't need this actually. Then to the second part, which you're going to move into, you want to come to the blur and then move the blur completely out of the way. So that's the progressive pattern you're going to get. Okay, so grab your prototype, move from this frame to this frame. I want it to be after delay, and then the delay can be about 3000, like the duration can be about 3000. I don't want it to just jump into it so quickly. I don't want it to be smart, animate, gentle. So let's click on this and let us preview. I think that is too fast. Can we go again? That is too fast. So what can be done? We have to 800. No, we're talking about 3000. That's the reason. All right, so let's see. Wow, can you see that? Perfect. Can you see that? One more time. Thank you. This is Optimus signing up. See you in the next video.